So what do I think about the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan? If you'd like to see my thoughts on how the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan is working, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I've gotten a lot of questions about what I think about the Weight Watcher or WW Personal Points Plan. So this video, I'm going to give some of my thoughts on what I think about it and how it's working for me. And so that's what I'm going to share with you today. So first of all, I'm in Florida for the winter, and I did not bring a scale with me, so I can't exactly tell you how I'm doing on the program, but I will give you my thoughts on it. The Weight Watcher Personal Program is personalized for you. I think they have done a very excellent way of making the program something each person can work with on an individual basis. And now everybody can have their own choice of free point or 0 point foods, and that's based on what you eat or what you like to eat. But in reality, you have to remember that there is portions on everything. So if you do tend to overeat a lot of things, then it may not work in your favor. But as long as you remember the portions, I think it will work, because everything on Weight Watchers is based on portions. You can have basically whatever you want to eat. You just have to watch what you're eating. So first of all, when you start Weight Watchers, you take an assessment which asks you what questions about the kinds of foods you like to eat, and they gear the program to what your choices are. So if you like to eat rice or pasta or potatoes, it will give you those as 0 point foods, and it will base your points on age and weight and give you a number of daily points plus a number of weekly points. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the program, they don't like change, but honestly, if Weight Watchers has not changed over the years, we would still be eating liver. And that is nothing anybody would want. So I really like the new program. I think you can adjust it to what you want. If you want to go back to the blue plan or the green plan or purple, you can just kind of answer the questions in a way that will give you that same kind of program. Rather than resist the changes, I think you should think of it as fun. Find a way to incorporate all the foods you like into a program that will help you. It is designed as an easier way of tracking the portions of food you eat by giving you points. It's like a bank. You use so many points for the day and you spend them along the way, so you can kind of get whatever you want. So my suggestion is to take it on as a fun activity. Find different foods to plan your day in around 0 point foods, and this way you can achieve your goals and have a good time doing it. There's all kinds of ways you can find different foods to eat. There's Instagram or YouTube videos. A lot of social media will help you find different foods to eat, different ways to eat it. And one of the things I really like about the new WW Personal Points Plan is that it is gearing you towards making healthy habits. So it gives you points for drinking water. If you get 60 ounces a day, you get an extra point. Every cup of vegetables that you consume during the day, you get an extra point. And for any activity or fitness, you get points. So you can really use those points to your advantage to get extra food that you like to eat in. But it is, in the end, gearing you towards making healthy choices in your life and making healthy habits a part of your lifestyle. So if you want to go for 6 extra points a day and you get 6 cups of vegetables in, then there you have it. So you can work the program to however you like it. I really feel that the new WW Personal Points Plan is a good program. It is based on many years of science with Weight Watchers that they use to develop these new plans. And I know a lot of people are resistant to change, but change is good. And you always want to change it up, even on your diet, on the foods you eat. When you change it up, it will help you be more likely to stay on it because you're not eating the same foods every single day. Every program that Weight Watchers has changed from their eating out of certain categories of food to eating freestyle, smart points, blue, green, purple, just everything has always had resistance. People just like to be on the same program that they've had, that they've worked with, but really the Weight Watcher Personal Points is geared towards you. It's geared towards what you like. So I really think that if you give it a chance, and I would say you have to give programs at least a couple weeks. You can't just say, oh, I didn't get those points. I took my points were less and I didn't get to do what I want. Use your imagination, use different foods to eat, incorporate more vegetables, drink your water, get your fitness in. Even though you may have less points, those will give you points back. So it's a win-win situation in my opinion. In some cases you get less points for the day, and they also may have increased foods that are higher in fat or higher in sugar to be more points. But that also is a way that they have encouraged you to make healthy choices. You really do have a choice on the kinds of foods you eat. It's personalized for you, for your tastes, for what you like to do. I've always felt that if you work the plan will work for you. And the WW Personal Points Plan is geared to your choices, to helping you make a lifestyle change that can be part of your everyday living. So do the best you can and follow the program and you will get results. I've always been a big believer in the Weight Watcher program. I believe it gives you good results, and a big believer that healthy habits, which is what this personal program is gearing you towards, will give you good results on your weight loss journey. Healthy habits like drinking water, getting fit, eating healthy will get your weight off. Please comment below on what your thoughts are on the Personal Points program and how it's worked for you so far. I really appreciate the interaction and I like to read everybody's comments. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.